Welcome back to the channel, guys. Straight to the point. Today we are going to talk about the fuel consumption of my Renault 2022 T480 model. So it has 480 horsepower. The truck right now it has 467,000 kilometers as mileage, and the way I'm driving it, it's 50% of the time I'm fully loaded, and 50% of the time I'm driving it empty. So this means that 50% of the time I'm at 13 ton, and the other 50% when I'm full, my weight is 44 ton. I'm telling you all this data so you can manage to calculate it better for you, what it would be in your realistic use, the fuel consumption. Most of the time I'm driving on roads like that, like 90%, which is called national roads in France. I don't know how you call it in your countries. And I don't drive on highway, which means my maximum speed is 80 kilometers per hour. So the exact fuel consumption for the last few thousand kilometers is 35.5 liters per 100 kilometer. I don't know if you can see it good there. I don't know if I can catch it with the GoPro. So yeah, it's a little bit high, the consumption, I have to admit, because there is a lot of uphills here on this road that I'm driving all the time, every day. And when there is uphills, you know, when you're full, it's not really helping. It's doing exactly the opposite. It's making the fuel consumption a little bit higher. I've managed with very economical driving and a lot of taking care to drop it around 33 liters per 100 kilometers. But yeah, this can give you a little bit of data, and you can compare it to other trucks and to see what you can buy and what is working for you. With the prices nowadays of the diesel, it's very expensive, and I think the people that are using us as transport, they really feel it in the prices also. But what to do? It's like that. It's not us that decide to raise the prices of the diesel. If it depends on us, we would still be in 2015 when the diesel was €1 per liter. But sadly, it doesn't depend on us. Thank you once again for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. I'm here to answer to all of you. Stay safe on the roads and see you soon, guys. Bye bye.